And welcome back to the channel. This is December Daily 2024, and today I am working on day 2, and I am currently working on my 4th cup of coffee, so getting things done. Off camera, of course, I printed off my photo, did a little bit of journaling. I pulled some embellishments from my December Daily kit. I just had some buttons and just random things on my desk. This is just a piece of dollar store wood veneer that I took my walnut stain to, and the plan is to put it somewhere in that vicinity. And yeah, that's pretty much where we are. So I will put you on fast forward while I finish up this page. So you're going to get to see me do this one in real time. I didn't speed this video up at all. And I don't think I mentioned at the very beginning of the intro, but the little card that has my journaling on it was a very old DIY embellishment card, and the tag that you see there in the bottom 3x4 card was just some scraps that I glued to a piece of copy paper and then die cut. So I don't think I'm really using anything spectacular. I guess maybe except my stickers and stuff, but yeah. I'm doing okay using up my kit, but I feel like I'm going to have to make some big projects. Maybe I'll use my December Daily kit this year to make my Christmas cards for my family and my friends, but I don't see getting through all of that kit any other way. I don't tend to do big 12x12 scrapbook layouts, and I don't think that it would be practical to do more than my December Daily for me personally. I may throw a 12x12 layout in my Project Life album, but I mean, how many Christmas 12x12 layouts does a person really need? So I just basically used some not twine, embroidery floss. There we go. Words are hard. I used some embroidery floss and my embroidery needle and just fished through that little Tim Holtz metal charm on that tag. And I'm going to put it a bit at a jaunty angle and then glue down the wood veneer right after I fight with my glue. Wouldn't be a normal video if I didn't fight with my glue. And those little buttons, I think I'm just going to leave them on my table because they're a good size, and I feel like if they're there, I'll think about using them. And I don't remember putting any buttons in my kit. So maybe this next layout, my day 3 layout, or soon, I'll be able to use a few of those. I love buttons in my albums. The problem, of course, is they add a lot of dimension. So I'm at the very beginning of my album, so I don't want to make it too thick before I even get all my photos and stuff in. Yeah, fighting with my glue. Unbelievable. And I don't know if it's because I need to clean out the nozzles of these or what's going on, but every video for the last few I've had to fuss with it, so I'm gonna fuss with this one too. I've cleaned this one several times and yet there's still no glue coming out, so I almost wonder if they're dried up a little bit. I may have to do a refill. There we go. So that little bottom 3x4 craft colored card, I'm going to leave fairly plain. I feel like it's kind of a busy layout already, just with all the pattern and the writing and the stickers. So the little craft colored card is just basically going to get a couple of stickers and a little piece of what looks like washi, but it's also a sticker. And then this whole layout is going to be all done. So I don't think I said anything, but this whole layout is about the little wooden sleigh that hubby made me for decorating. Unfortunately, you can't really see the photo there in where the sleigh is because it's hidden by our stockings. But hubby's getting pretty crafty with the wood, so I'm sure he'll be making me more decorative things for the house and the yard, and look forward to that. So because he built me a sleigh, it was pretty easy. I went through some of the tiny word stickers in the sticker booklets and grabbed anything that I felt would fit kind of what I had to say about it. So there we go. Just like that, all done. Oh, no, I'm going to cut off a little sticker first. And I will be back to you here live in just a moment. And just like that, day 2 is all done. And I'm just looking at the timer on my camera, and it took me less than 6 minutes. So, brilliant. All right, as always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and stay tuned. I may even upload day 3 today. I will see you soon. Bye for now.